welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the 4-point spanning over the reinforced concrete, the concrete with a strip and rebar, and also the outer surface reinforced with BFRP or basalt fiber reinforced concrete with 4 layers with different orientation for the fiber or polystacking, different polystacking. And let me just now hold the concrete first. Click on contour plot shape. This is the displacement, the stress which is happened during the analysis. See, this is the stress propagations. Okay, and you can see Tresca criterion for that, or pressure, or S22. And also plastic strain for the concrete for displacement. And now let me just hold the BFRP. This is the BFRP layers, the stress, the Hashim's damage, okay, and the stress. And now let me to check just the steel reinforcement and the stress, the plastic strain, and the displacement. And the important thing here is force displacement diagram. See this diagram. When the displacement increases during the simulation, the reaction force also increases. But you can see the diagram during the time be more smooth. Here it is the flat line. See that here? It is the flat line, and failure happen here. You can see this diagram goes down if we keep the displacement for the rigid body, for instance 10 millimeter or 12 millimeter, it reaches zero value for the reaction force. And this is the diagram, this force displacement diagram for this model. Okay, so if you need to model the reinforced concrete with the strip rebar and BFRP fiber, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, or you can search here to find it here, and then click on the title or blue sign, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry and assembly, and then material method, step interaction, load, mesh, and then the result as figures. Here you can see them. You can provide C and English video file step by step. The cost for that is 26 euros. You can purchase this tutorial through a PayPal account, and this is the best way. But if you have PayPal account, you can use Visa or MasterCard. Before payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.